Are you considering working from home? After we experience the impact of the current pandemic and how the world is shifting to work remotely, you really should consider that. Here we explore with you 7 work-from-home jobs with their average hourly rate. Note all hourly rates via FlexJobs and Indeed. 1. Social media specialist. Average hourly rate, $16 an hour. Have your Instagram stories earned you a minor cult following? Can you rattle off 3 brand social accounts you admire? If so, you already possess skills any social media specialist needs. Social media managers represent a brand's voice online, attracting new followers with the content they've created. Some positions require more of a customer service role, others may work on a higher planning and strategy level. If you're seeking your first social media job, remember that your own social accounts speak louder than any resume. 2. Virtual assistant. Average hourly rates, $20, depending on experience. Virtual assistants provide support for companies looking to save the overhead cost of in-house staff, and as in your own house staff, you can't beat the dress code and atmosphere. You'll handle email correspondence, answer phones, schedule meetings and appointments, book travel, data entry, and more. Companies that connect virtual assistants with clients include Belay Solutions, FlexJobs, and Upwork, which lets you set up a profile advertising your previous admin experience and rates. 3. Transcriptionist. Average hourly rates, $15. If you're a freakishly fast, efficient typist, and you prefer working independently to a lot of interpersonal interaction, transcription might be the field for you. You'll transcribe audio from college lectures, interviews, medical reports, legal depositions, and more. The latter two can be especially lucrative, since they require familiarity with medical and legal terminology. Try TranscribeMe, QuickDate, or your favorite job site to get started. 4. Customer service representative. Average hourly rate, $13 an hour. Remote customer service reps help consumers via email, phone, web chat software, or social media in industries like retail, healthcare, and telecommunications. For a role like this, you'll need a knack for clear communication, a background noise-free workspace, and patience when the occasional testy customer requires some extra care. Bilingual or multilingual candidates are in high demand too. Not every company will supply the necessary equipment, but be sure to look for one that offers paid training. 5. Online English tutor. Average hourly rates, $13 to $26 an hour. Native English speakers, who love chatting with people from a wide array of cultures, are a great fit for an English tutoring gig. Virtual tutors need a webcam-enabled computer, headset, and a flexible schedule to work with students who live in different time zones. 6. Website and software tester. Average pay, $10 to $100 per test. Website testing is perfect for people who consider themselves experts at using the internet, and are ready to earn some pocket money testing sites, apps, and software for functionality and ease of use. To score some irregular testing opportunities, your best bet is to sign up with multiple sites. Try regular focus group companies in your area, and services like usertesting.com, which pays $10 per test for 20 minutes of your time. That's right, your many hours logged online will literally pay off. 7. Proofreader or copy editor. Average hourly rate, $20 an hour. If you immediately spot typos in books, you're a born proofreader. A skilled one can find and fix every error in spelling, grammar, formatting, and consistency of tone, and do it all under tight deadlines. Remote proofreaders will need their own computer, basic word processing knowledge, and next-level attention to detail when it comes to the English language. Have you found any of these jobs interest you? Please share with us in the comments below.